From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Victoria Harrison. In a joint settlement with the state of Missouri, the Trump administration has ended a Biden-era student loan repayment program called SAVE. As KBIA's Kat Ramkumar reports, it's now borrowers' responsibility to transition to new repayment plans.
Under the SAVE program, 7.5 million borrowers were eligible to have monthly payments reduced based on taxable income, most as low as $0. Now, borrowers will have 90 days to enroll in a new repayment plan after they're contacted by loan servicers. If they don't, they'll get placed in the standard plan with the highest monthly payment. Abby Shafroth is the National Consumer Law Center's Managing Director of Advocacy. She says eliminating SAVE in the midst of an affordability crisis will have significant consequences.
People are already struggling with rising gas costs, rent costs, grocery costs, healthcare, childcare. Increasing another one of their monthly bills is really a problem, and it's going to cause a lot of hardship.
Shafroth says borrowers who switch to a new plan may see their monthly bills double. I'm Kat Ramkumar, KBIA News.
The Missouri House has passed harsher penalties for those convicted of drunk driving. The legislation shifts several driving while intoxicated offenses one felony class higher. That includes injuring, severely injuring, or killing someone while driving drunk. Additionally, someone convicted of killing someone while driving intoxicated would have to serve at least 5 years in prison before being eligible for probation or parole. If the driver killed more than one person, they would have to serve at least 10 years. The Missouri House has passed a trio of tax credits aimed at increasing child care availability in the state. A 97-44 vote Thursday sends the bill to the Missouri Senate, where it has died in years past. St. Joseph Republican Rep. Brenda Shields is the bill's sponsor.
This is a child care legislation that will create affordable, reliable, quality, and safe child care for working families in our state. It is one of the top issues that I hear from my constituents and from the business community.
The bill gives a tax credit for contributions to a child care provider in an amount of 75% of the contribution. There are also tax credits for businesses, including child care facilities themselves. The Missouri House also passed a bill on Thursday that will prevent restrictions on religious services in the event of another dangerous communicable disease outbreak, like the COVID-19 pandemic. Representatives who voted yes say isolated Missourians from their church communities during the pandemic harmed their mental health. Those against the bill, including some evangelical Christians, say it's important to prioritize physical health, noting that prayer can still happen with social distancing. The bill now goes to the Senate. I'm Victoria Harrison, KBIA News, Columbia.